Hello, so today I'm going to show you our MMB BMW Android box. I'm going to show you how to connect it and what kind of functions it has. So this will come in the packaging like this. So now I'm going to connect it to the USB port. So Type C to the product, and the USB A to the BMW for power. Okay, I've connected the box to the USB for power, and there is an LED flashing. So once you see the LED flashing, you would go onto your communication page like you would, and then you simply follow the instructions on how to connect to an iPhone. So you go to mobile devices, new device, and Apple CarPlay. And then here it will search for a new device, and then click on our device, smart device. And then once you see this menu, make sure to click Use Apple CarPlay, not BMW iDrive. First time connection will take a minute or so. The next time you start up your BMW, this all will, you can skip all of this process like you would with a normal iPhone. Okay, once the connected drive has connected to the device, you will see this prompt for your driving safety. Please do not watch the video while driving. If you acknowledge that, click I know. And this is the system that you will see. This is the Android 9.0 Pie system, which allows you to watch Netflix, YouTube without coding or installation. So in the beginning, what you need to do before using any applications is to go into Wi-Fi or settings, then Wi-Fi, then connect your hotspot, your iPhone or Android hotspot, to give it connection internet access so you can use any applications like Netflix, YouTube, Google Maps. Okay, so now I'll show you how YouTube works. And then you can click on any YouTube video, how McDonald's burgers are made. So how fast a video loads or what quality you can play relies solely on the quality of your internet access from your iPhone or Android phone. And another design we've changed is the floating button. You can click that floating button here, and in the middle of the screen you can either go back, click split screen. So for example, I can choose to have YouTube on the left, and then I can have and then Waze on the right hand side of Google Maps. I'll click Google Play Store just to show you how that looks. And then you can use two applications simultaneously, left and right hand side. To cancel either one of the applications, you can slide it to the left or slide it to the right. And then I'll bring back the floating button, and I can start Google Assistant, or I can go to the home page like so. And of course, if you have a Netflix subscription, you can log into your Netflix account to play that as well. And now I'll show you another function of the MMB BMW Android box, which is a phone cast icon here, and that is to mirror your entire iPhone screen onto your BMW screen. So I'll go to phone screen because I want to mirror my iPhone screen and not YouTube. So I go to phone screen here, and I'm using an iPhone, so I go to Apple Cast. And there are three instructions on the screen. As you can see, I have already finished the first instruction, which is to connect to my iPhone hotspot directly. So I'll go to the second instruction, which is to go to screen mirroring in control center. And then third instruction is to click on smart device. And I will be mirroring my entire iPhone onto the BMW screen within seconds. And you are free to play any games you want or watch any videos, use any applications. And to stop the mirroring, you simply click Stop Mirroring in Control Center, like so, and you are back onto the you are back into the MMB BMW Android system. So as you scroll right, you'll see different functions available for you to use. USB drive means to download offline media onto USB. Connect that to the MMB box and you can play offline media directly. Bluetooth phone, you connect your Bluetooth, your iPhone or Android Bluetooth to the device and you can take calls directly. You can change your themes, wallpaper, check your version information, and if you go into more apps, you can find more applications that we have pre-installed or that you have installed yourself by going to Google Play Store here. So those are the functions. The functions of this box is unlimited because of Google Play Store. Simply download any applications that you wish to use on our device. And when you're finished using our device, simply click on Car to go back into the BMW original system. To go back to an MMB interface, simply click Apple CarPlay function and you are back here. Another way to go back to the BMW interface is to click back near your iDrive controller, return to factory system, confirm, click Apple CarPlay again, and you're back in the system. So those are the functions of the MMB BMW Android box, and I've shown you how to connect it as well within 1 minute. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.